Hello friends, welcome to Abhipedia. Myself Atul Sambharia, and today we're going to discuss a very important topic for CAPF Assistant Commandant exam, and that topic relates to our environment section of our syllabus. So let's start our discussion. All important bodies of United Nations for fighting climate change is our today's topic, and these bodies include World Meteorological Organization, United Nations Environment Program, Intergovernmental Panel for Climate Change, that is IPCC, and UNEPI, that is the United Nations Convention on Climate Change. Okay, let's first discuss briefly about WMO. WMO, it is the world's first organization which directly dealt with the issue of climate change. As it was established in 1950 and headquartered at Geneva, it is a UN specialized agency. So please note on this, it is a UN specialized agency which specialized in dealing with the matters of meteorology. As you know, climate has no boundaries. That's why it have over 191 members. The organization plays a very leading role in international efforts to monitor as well as to protect environment through its program. Next body which we're going to discuss is United Nations Environment Program. So this body is directly related to a very important conference, that is the Stockholm Conference, which was happened in 1972. This is one of the premier body which is presently working for the on issue of climate change. It has a General Assembly which is called as United Nations Environment Assembly, and it is that UNEA. It is the world highest level decision making body on environment. Another important initiative by the United Nations Environment Program is it celebrates World Environment Day on 5th June every year. The United Nations Environment Program, that is UNEP, also publish some reports, and those reports are Global Environment Outlook, Emission Gap Report, Adaptation Gap Report, Inclusive Wealth Report, Frontiers Report. It also publishes Global Environment Outlook, and most recently it has started a new system, or we can say it has taken a new initiative, and that initiative is Faith for Earth initiative. It is started only in 2017. The next is IPCC, that is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Now this, as we have discussed WMO and we have discussed United Nations Environment Program, both of those bodies, that is WMO and UNEP, came together and established this body in 1988. So it was established in 1988 by two UN organizations, WMO, that is World Meteorological Organization, and United Nations Environment Program. It is also later endorsed by United Nations General Assembly. The membership of IPCC is open to all members of WMO and United Nations Environment Program. The important work which this organization do is it produce report that support the United Nations framework of climate change, of which we are going to discuss later on. And this UNFCCC is the main international treaty on climate change. So let's discuss UNFCCC. So United Nations Convention on Climate Change, it is an international environment treaty opened for signature in 1992. It came into force from 1994. Its secretariat is located in Bonn, Germany. And the point which should be noted here is that it is a non-legally binding treaty. Okay? Now UNFCCC is itself a very important topic which we are going to discuss in our next video, and we are going to discuss Paris Climate Deal, which we are going to discuss Global Environment Facility, we are going to discuss Kyoto Protocol, we are going to discuss Agenda 21, and we are going to discuss Green Climate Fund. As we are trying to give you bites, that is information in 2 minutes only, so that, and we are preparing ourselves accordingly. So this is it for this video. If you want more such videos, then please comment, and we're going to present our content to you. Thank you very much.